Hello little artists. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker. Next, we draw two parallelly straight lines. And join this too. We draw a flower pot. We draw two lines in the middle of the pot. Here, we draw another two curved lines. Next, we draw three small flowers to the top of the line. This is leaves. We draw two leaves from two sides. Now, our drawing is completed. This is the time to coloring. This is red color. We color the top of the pot with red color. This is blue color. We color the main part of the pot with blue color. This is green color. We color those three lines with green color. This is red color. We color the middle flower with yellow color. We paint the second one with pink color. And last flower, we color it with sky blue. Lastly, we color the leaves with green color. Green color. Now, our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.